This is the testing of Camtasia Studio 7 and its application in the creation of a Library Studio demo. As an example, I am going to click on well number A1 and go into the Sources tab. Here I see a number of chemicals that have been used in creating a sample in that well. If I look to my right, I see a view of chemical of type, and it says if I click on the arrow there and select diluent, I will be able to see just the diluents used in this well. Now double click on it again and I go down there and I click emulsifier and I hit close, then I should be able to see just the emulsifiers in this. Anyway, that's a premix. If I go into the recipe and I see the recipe in the creation of that source A1. That's all for this test recording. Recording number 2 to add another audio and video track to my Camtasia Studio in an attempt to learn. I'm clicking on the Mixtures tab and I see the preservative premix that I'm going to double click on. Well, it doesn't do anything. It just creates a number of... I'm going to click on this and look at some other options. Click on this and see the composition and the sources, the types and roles. Close right here. Then I'm going to click on recipe. Here's what I see the recipe. If I click on any of those steps, I can actually see, or actually map, I can see what kind of a map it is and the values associated with it. Looks like this is 500. Hit cancel. I'm going to look at the set delay time, which is about 600 seconds, and that's it.